Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kami galaya, kedai kejela, kebai tenat bah, bat kidan ru bon ba kibriu, kibai em hapdang kejingduk jingkerdo. Hindrai kinong ilam kim pelut kaya kapor, hakimat kibam dan jingmut, bat kilap met ru ban yashrut paramaki. Wat kisang kibadan lang hapok sarkaru kidang yashrut. Ngaji ong yaki bakim dia ban pelut por hakum kini ki kam yashrut, hindrai ban pelut jingmut ban kentiu ya kejela. Kini kilong kejingkan tho jong lat kejela, sotia pal malik, hakajing ya kendo bat nosan hima, hakasingi tho ding harat cebavan.
So another area which I would like to talk about regarding Meghalaya. Ever since you came into the state, you had held these meetings with district administrations.
I have reviewed the central plans. I have reviewed, and there is a lot of good work is being done, but still better things can be done. Meghalaya is a beautiful state with very good people, but the leadership is wasting their time in superfluous issues, fighting each other. Even the parties who are participating in the government, when they come to me, I tell them that don't waste your time in this. Go for development. It can be developed into a most progressive, rich state, but the emphasis is not on that.
So you mean the political parties are busy fighting against each other?
They should fight inside the house, and otherwise, as far as development is concerned, on that they should be of one opinion. Bring money from Delhi, use that, use for poor people. There's a lot of poverty here. I have visited several places and I have found from here to Guwahati, all the khokhas, the very poor people are sitting on that with fruits and all. Help them, make their self-help groups, give them help them financially, tell the banks to give them money. Then your younger generation, generally I see the young boys, they are loitering around. Give them employment, good employment, not menial, nice employment, and visit the whole country and bring investment here.
Instead of fighting each other.
Fighting each other, and these movements here, they are not serving purpose for state. Nobody will come to you. Nobody will come to in Kashmir, even after the removal of 370, not even a single company has come in last 1 year to invest in Kashmir. So if you want investment, if you want tourism, then you have to create a peaceful, cohesive atmosphere.
So when you say movements, what do you mean, sir?
Any movement. Movement, I'm not against movement. You have every right to fight on your issues, have movements, but your movement should not be frightening to the people. Don't use violence in that.
As governor, because we have seen in the press statements after these review meetings you had, you said you would intervene at your level. So what are the areas where you...
Yes, I can tell you the areas are lack of infrastructures, lack of connectivity, roads, then health centers, then facilities in your health centers. This institutional delivery is not more than 60% any district. In Odisha, Koraput is a tribal district. 100% institutional delivery is there. Asha workers and these Anganwadi workers, they keep tab of every pregnant woman, bring them to the centers when the time comes. Here it is not happening because connectivity is not there, then vehicles are not there, the ambulances are not there, and your health sector is very weak. It should be enhanced. So is with the education. Education may if there is a school, then building is not there. If building is there, then teachers are not there. So you should take care of those sectors. About banks also, uh, lot of central help is not reaching to the people because lack of the banks. We did in Kashmir, in Ladakh, people do live in far-flung areas and very small population, villages are not big. So banks are not, they can't be opened in those areas, the banks. So I suggested to the bank, which was Jammu Kashmir Bank, it was partially rather owned by state government because we have got more than 60% partnership in that. So we did a survey and we provided with ATM to small places and that worked. So here also if they cannot give branches, then give ATM everywhere. So that a old lady is getting pension of 1000 rupees or 500 rupees. For that matter, she has to travel 200 kilometers, spend her money on travel and then stay. So that can reach there and she can just put button and take it out. Condition of your hospitals. I went for X-ray. So X-ray, because this hospital, your government hospital has become COVID hospital. So I had to go military hospital. In military hospital, there was some stopgap arrangement in a in a room, which is not. You can't sit there for half an hour.
True, sir. We still lack development.
You need lot of infrastructure, education and health. These two sectors you should take care. You have now developed your city. So many things are required here. कॉलेजेस नहीं हैं. आप बताइए मुझे कि कोई नए कॉलेजेस आए हों, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस आए हों. In a year, I gave 8 medical colleges to Kashmir. 8. Mind it. And सब पे काम चल रहा. They will be completed in this year. I gave 52 degree colleges in 1 year. I got the whole state surveyed by secretaries, a team of 3 secretaries. They went on the spot and then they decide, yes, it is required here. 52 colleges. A boy who was serving me food, he said that, sir, मेरे गांव में 35 years back एक प्राइमरी स्कूल बना था. आफ्टर दैट इसका कोई वो नहीं हुआ है, अपग्रेडेशन. देन आई गॉट सर्वे ऑफ द स्कूल्स जो इतने पुराने बने हुए हैं, कोई सर्वे नहीं हुआ. एंड अपग्रेडेड स्कूल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड देयर. 282 schools I upgraded in a minute, and they all are working now. So if you want to do, things can happen. But here the whole fight is that he is eating, I'm not eating, I'm not getting anything to eat. Between political parties, the total fight is that we are not getting anything. Pulling the state back, it takes you nowhere. Every day they demand for this CBI inquiry. They don't know how does CBI inquiry happens. CBI inquiry happens when the states refers. They are saying the CBI inquiry into everything.